Welcome to the AMSCO Windows How-To video series. This video will cover the installation process for the AMSCO Windows StyleLock Retrofit Kit. You will need the following tools to perform this task. A prying tool. We recommend a painter's 5-in-1 or similar tool. A drill, and a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. To perform this installation, it is necessary to remove the sash from the window. To remove the sash from a single hung, please reference our video for changing balance springs in a single hung window. To remove the sash in a horizontal sliding window, please see the video on cleaning and maintaining your windows. With the sash removed from the window, it is time to remove the lock body from the sash of the window. In many cases, these locks may be damaged. If they are damaged, it may be necessary to adapt these instructions for getting the lock out. As all of these instances can vary widely, we do not have specific instructions for each possibility. First, gently pry the lock face from the lock body. Insert the pry tool opposite the red dot on the lock. Identify the side of the lock body with only one slot next to the rounded clip. Pry the lock body from the sash and remove it using a Z motion. After removing the lock, locate the adapter sleeve for the new lock kit. There is an indented circle that marks the side of the adapter that will be inserted into the sash first. Insert the adapter into the sash, being sure to press the sleeve all the way to the side. Press the opposite side into the frame. In some cases, it will be necessary to squeeze or slightly twist the sleeve to give enough clearance for it to seat properly. Once seated, slide the sleeve back toward the opposite side, centering it in the hole. Insert the lock body by snapping it in place in the adapter sleeve. Using a screwdriver, insert screws in the holes in the face of the lock body. Use caution when tightening the screws so as to not strip the holes. Snap the lock cover in place. Start by inserting the tabs on the bottom side and roll the cover into place. Next, remove the old lock keeper from the meeting rail of the window. After removing the lock keeper, insert the new keeper adapter in the notch of the meeting rail. Insert the new keeper into place and attach with screws. You will be making new holes in the aluminum reinforcement inside the meeting rail with the supplied self-tapping screws. Reinsert the sash back into the window. Operate to ensure proper alignment.